Welcome back, guys. This time around, I want to create a WhatsApp channel. There's this new feature on WhatsApp that can help your business to grow. It's called WhatsApp channels, so you can easily create a WhatsApp channel, and that's what I'll be doing right away. All you have to do is to click on this part from your PC. These are channels. This is the icon right here. Click on this part from your PC. Look for it on your phone. The feature is available on the phone as well. So all I'm going to do is to click on this plus menu, and you see find channels and create channel. Right now I want to create a channel for my business, and I'm going to click on create channel, and you see create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. I prefer this channel over groups for your business. That's why I didn't talk about community. That's why I didn't talk about creating groups and other. Channel is well suited for your business. So I'm going to create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover this channel. People see your channel, not you. You're responsible for your channel, and by continuing you agree to the WhatsApp channels business terms. So I'm going to agree and continue, and I'm going to add my logo first. I'm going to upload that, and I have the BTA here. I'm going to upload this, and yeah, I'm going to upload this. I'm going to minus this, so I'm going to put that. My channel name will be Bilal Tech Academy. I'm just going to create that so that I can copy what it was in the other. So this is the channel right here, having 0 followers, and we can add description, share channel link. So all I'm going to do is to come back to my profile. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back here. This is my channel, and I'm going to add the description. As you can see, it was shown here. You can easily click here and add description and say add channel description right here. I'm going to click on this pen, and I'm going to paste the description. And having to paste that, we have this, and I'm going to check that. So we have the description for the channel, and the settings for the channel is public, okay, which I love. The channel settings, which reactions can followers send to any emoji. Yeah, followers can send any emoji. And channel alerts, let's see, no current alerts. You may get channel alert if your channel shares update that do not follow. Okay, this is still okay. And we have all these. You can invite admins, you can send channel link out, you can delete it, and you can transfer ownership. All those things will not be needed, but they are very simple, and you can do them if you want to. But right now, all I want to do is I want to copy the link. Or let's forward it. You can copy the link and share it wherever you want to share it, and you can forward it. So I want to forward it to who? Let me do that. I'm going to forward this right away. I only forward to 5 at a time, so I'm going to forward it to 5 people. So let's do the forwarding. I forwarded to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to forward this way, and that's how we created our channel and forwarding. So I'm going to forward that, and let me forward to others as well. Okay, so we have this, forward to this. Okay, I'm going to forward to this as well, and let's forward to more, and I'm going to forward to 1, 2. So that's me forwarding this. Let me forward more. Let's see how it goes. And so forward to this, and that's how to create a WhatsApp channel for yourself. And right now you have a WhatsApp channel for your business, and you can always transact your business like offerings through it instead of creating a group. And groups are kind of difficult to maintain. I don't think businesses should use groups to update their clients. I feel like this is well suited for updating your clients. So I'm going to share the links to all my contacts, and which I think would create more promotion for the channel. And yeah, so the last set, let me see the last set of contacts, and I'll be done right now. So I'm done creating this channel, and that's how to create a channel. And these are some of the messages I've sent to some of my contacts, and they can easily view the channel and follow it from those links. I hope to see you in my next lesson. See you there.